Hey guys, so we've got the OnePlus 6 on the table and we're going to do a quick unboxing and first look at it here. This is the speed you need, apparently, the latest tagline from OnePlus. So let's get it open here. Very decently priced with flagship kind of specs. I don't think the price has risen that much in comparison to some other handsets, so props where props is due, and it should come with some nice stock software as well. Let's get the box off. So this is the front here, which looks very similar to pretty much every OnePlus device. Comes with that red background. And I think the model that I got was the black one with the shiny back, which looks pretty nice. And also you can get, I think, a white one in a couple of weeks time and a grey one, which I've had before. I didn't want that one. So very kind of Samsung look here, not too different really in terms of the design. With another small notch at the top, and you know how I feel about the notches, but we're not going to dwell on that too much. Let's just have a look what else you get. So it seems that you're getting your case again, good for OnePlus, always giving you some protection here. Let's just get that case on and see how it looks. So very nice, well-fitting case, as you can see. Protect your shiny back from scuffs, etc. I think there's also a screen protector on the front there, which I will take off eventually. Just get the case off again. There we go. So what else do you get? You get charging cable, fast dash charger. Although I think they're going to rename that eventually, and also that's it. I think that's about it. You get a manual, obviously, that nobody really reads, but it does say 6 here, as you can see, and it tells you some basic stuff. So let's get the phone booted up here. So my model, I think, is the 6 gig RAM model. Still don't see the point of 8 gigs of RAM in a phone. That money would have been better spent, I think, on waterproofing or something like that. But you can see hi there, and you can choose where you are. So we'll just keep it as it is at the moment and go through this. OnePlus terms, I don't want that. System stability, push notifications. So they're giving you quite a lengthy kind of process here for the setup. Face unlock is there. Stuff like that is there as well, and you're in. So not too long there. This is the default wallpaper, as you can see. It looks pretty nice. Gotta say, I think that OnePlus definitely does a good job when it comes to making a fresh experience in terms of the wallpapers. I've not seen these ones before. Let's try putting that one on. So very fresh looking display. Quite a big handset, I think some people might struggle with it actually, but I think you can get used to it. but it looks pretty good in terms of display. You know, it's an OLED display here. You can definitely see some good colours. No kind of jankiness that we did have with the OnePlus 5 jelly effect. They've long resolved those issues. Have a look at the Android. So you're getting 8.1, which I think is the latest. Very good. So yeah, you know, just a quick unboxing of the OnePlus 6.